Wool is a truly remarkable fiber that comes from sheep, one of nature's most generous animals. For centuries, people all over the world have relied on sheep for this soft, versatile material. When you look closely at a sheep's fleece, you'll see the unique texture and crimp that make wool so special. Wool has an amazing ability to keep us warm in winter and cool in summer. Its natural fibers trap heat when it's cold, but also allow air to circulate, making it comfortable even on warmer days. That's why you'll find people wearing wool sweaters in the snow and also enjoying lightweight wool clothing during sunny hikes or summer evenings. People have used wool for thousands of years, dating back to ancient civilizations. Wool has been woven into clothing, blankets, and even carpets that last for generations. Its durability and comfort have made it a favorite for families everywhere, from cozy homes to grand palaces. Wool is not only soft and gentle to the touch, but also incredibly strong. It can be spun and woven into many different kinds of fabric, from thick, warm knits to fine, delicate textiles. This versatility means wool can be used for everything from sturdy coats to elegant scarves. One of the best things about wool is that it is a renewable resource. Sheep naturally grow new fleece every year, so as long as they are cared for, we can continue to enjoy wool without harming the environment. This means that new wool grows back each year as long as sheep are healthy and well cared for by farmers and shepherds. Responsible farming ensures that sheep live happy lives and produce high-quality wool, season after season. Wool is also completely biodegradable. When it's no longer needed, wool breaks down naturally in the soil, returning nutrients to the earth and leaving no harmful waste behind. This makes wool a truly eco-friendly choice. When you wear wool, you're not just staying comfortable, you're also making a choice that helps protect our planet. Wool's natural qualities mean it's both practical and sustainable, supporting a healthier environment for everyone. Wool has many other amazing qualities too. Its unique structure gives it special properties that make it stand out from other fibers. For example, wool can absorb a lot of moisture, up to 30% of its own weight, while still feeling dry to the touch. This helps keep you comfortable, whether you're hiking, working, or just relaxing at home. Wool is also naturally flame-resistant. It is slow to catch fire and doesn't melt like many synthetic fibers, making it a safer choice for clothing and home textiles. Wool can be dyed in a rainbow of colors, allowing for endless creativity in fashion and design. It also holds its shape well, so your favorite wool sweater or coat will look great and last for years. So when you wear a wool sweater or sleep under a wool blanket, you're enjoying a material that is not only useful and comfortable, but also gentle on nature and good for the earth. Let's follow the fascinating journey of wool, from a sheep grazing peacefully in the field to the soft, cozy clothing and blankets we love to use every day. Wool truly is one of nature's most wonderful gifts. Wool comes from sheep, those gentle, woolly creatures that have been part of human life for thousands of years. Their soft fleece is one of nature's most useful gifts, and it all begins with the sheep themselves. Sheep are gentle animals raised on special farms, called sheep stations, where they spend their days grazing peacefully on open pastures. These sheep farms can be found all over the world, from rolling hills to wide, grassy plains. Some countries, however, are especially famous for their wool production and have a long tradition of raising sheep. New Zealand is one of the top wool producers in the world, known for its beautiful landscapes and healthy sheep. The cool green fields of New Zealand are perfect for raising happy, healthy sheep. The fresh air and rich grass help the sheep grow thick, high-quality fleece. Sheep have thick, fluffy coats called fleeces, which keep them warm in cold weather and protect them from the wind and rain. Their fleece grows all year long, getting thicker as the months pass. Each season brings changes to their wool, making it longer and softer. Farmers work hard to make sure their sheep have everything they need: fresh grass to eat, clean water to drink, and safe, comfortable places to rest, especially during the night or bad weather. Healthy sheep with shiny, full fleeces produce the very best wool. The better the care, the better the wool. Farmers also protect their sheep from harsh weather, like heavy rain or snow, and keep them safe from harm with the help of herding dogs and sturdy barns. There are many different breeds of sheep, each with its own unique look and type of wool. Some have long, curly fleece, while others have short, dense coats. Some breeds produce fine, soft wool that feels gentle against the skin, making it perfect for clothing like sweaters, scarves, and hats. Other breeds grow thick, strong wool that is ideal for making carpets, rugs, or heavy blankets that keep us warm in winter. Farmers carefully choose which sheep to raise based on their climate and the kind of wool they want to produce. This helps them grow the best sheep for their land and needs. The story of wool always starts with these friendly animals and the loving care they receive from farmers. Sheep and people have a special bond built on trust and kindness. Without happy, well-cared-for sheep, we wouldn't have the wonderful wool products we enjoy every day, from warm clothes to cozy blankets. It all begins with the sheep and their home. Shearing is the process of carefully cutting the wool off the sheep's body. This is a traditional practice that has been done for centuries, and it's an essential part of raising healthy sheep. The wool, which is also called fleece, grows continuously, so it needs to be removed regularly to keep the sheep comfortable and healthy. Shearing usually happens once a year, most often in the springtime, just before the weather gets too warm. This timing is important because it helps the sheep stay cool during the hot months and gives their fleece plenty of time to grow back before winter arrives. Shearing is very important for sheep health. Without regular shearing, sheep can suffer from overheating, skin problems, and even difficulty moving around. Removing the fleece helps prevent these issues and keeps the sheep feeling fresh and energetic. If sheep are not shorn, their wool keeps growing and can become extremely heavy and hot, making sheep uncomfortable and even putting their health at risk. Overgrown wool can also trap dirt, moisture, and parasites, which can lead to infections or other health problems. Trained shearers use special electric clippers, which are a bit like big hair trimmers, but designed specifically for sheep. These tools allow them to remove the fleece quickly and efficiently, while minimizing any risk of injury to the animal. Shearers work quickly and gently, moving the sheep carefully so it does not get hurt. They are trained to handle the sheep with care, making sure the process is as stress-free as possible for the animal. Farmers also play an important role in keeping the sheep calm and safe during shearing. They may talk softly to the sheep, hold them gently, and make sure the environment is quiet and comfortable. The whole shearing process usually takes only a few minutes per sheep, thanks to the skill and experience of the shearers. This quick process helps reduce stress for the sheep and allows the farmer to shear many sheep in a single day. After shearing, the fleece is carefully gathered from the floor. Each fleece is kept together so it can be inspected and sorted for quality. The best wool, called the blanket, comes from the sheep's sides and back. This part of the fleece is the softest, cleanest, and longest, making it ideal for spinning into fine yarn and fabric. Wool from the legs and belly is coarser and often contains more dirt or vegetable matter. This wool is separated from the main fleece and used for different products, such as carpets or insulation. Shearers and farmers check the fleece for quality by feeling its softness, checking its length, and making sure it is clean and strong. High-quality wool is highly valued and can be used for making luxurious clothing and textiles. Once the wool is sorted by quality, it is packed into big bags or bales. These are then loaded up and sent off to be washed, processed, and eventually turned into all kinds of woolen products. The sheep, now free of their heavy coats, can run and play in the field again, feeling cool, comfortable, and happy. Shearing not only helps keep sheep healthy, but it also provides us with the beautiful natural fiber that is wool. As soon as the fleece is taken from the sheep, workers spread it out on a large table. They carefully pick out any dirt, grass, or bits of plants stuck in the wool. This is called skirting. Clean wool makes stronger, softer fabric later. Next, the fleece is sorted by grade. Workers look at each part of the fleece to see how fine, long, or strong the fibers are. The best fibers will be made into clothing, while rougher parts may be used for rugs or insulation. Sorting wool takes skill and careful eyes. Once the wool is sorted, it is bundled together in big bags. Each bag is labeled with the wool's type and quality. This helps factories know how to use the wool and what it will be best for. The wool is now ready for one of the most important steps, cleaning. But before it can be made into soft yarn, all the dirt and grease must be washed away. Raw wool, straight from the sheep, is full of natural oil called lanolin, as well as dirt and sweat. To make clean, soft wool, it must be washed well. This process is called scouring. Workers place the wool into big washing tubs filled with warm, soapy water. The wool is gently moved around in the water. The soap removes lanolin, dust, and dirt, but workers are careful not to rub or twist the wool too much. If the wool is handled roughly, it can become tangled or damaged. After washing, the wool is rinsed in clean water several times. Water from the washing tubs is cleaned and reused when possible. This helps save water and keeps the environment healthy. Some of the lanolin taken from the wool can also be used to make lotions and creams for people's skin. Finally, the clean wool is gently squeezed and laid out to dry in the air, or in special drying rooms. Now it is fluffy, white, and ready for the next part of its journey. Once the wool is dry, it goes through machines called carders, carding brushes, and separates the fibers, making them smooth and straight. The carded wool looks like soft, puffy clouds. This makes it easy to spin the wool into long threads. The next step is spinning. The wool is pulled and twisted by spinning machines, turning it into strong, even strands called yarn. Sometimes people spin wool by hand using a spinning wheel for special yarns. Spinning makes the yarn strong and ready for weaving or knitting. Before spinning, workers might mix different types of wool or even other fibers to make yarn with special qualities. Some yarns are thick and warm, others are thin and light. The yarn is wound onto big spools, ready to become fabric. Spinning and carding are important because they make the wool smooth and even. This is how we get soft, strong yarn for comfortable clothing and beautiful blankets. Next, the yarn is turned into fabric. This can be done by weaving or knitting. Weaving uses two sets of threads. One set goes up and down, the warp, and the other goes side to side, the weft. The threads cross over and under each other to make a strong, flat piece of cloth. Weaving machines, called looms, do this job quickly and carefully. Workers watch the machines to make sure the fabric is smooth and even. Sometimes, the cloth is checked by hand for any mistakes or loose threads. Special patterns or textures can be made by changing the way the threads are woven. After weaving, the fabric is gently washed to make it softer. This also helps the threads settle into place. Sometimes, the fabric is brushed or pressed to make it even smoother or to give it a special shine. The woven wool fabric is now ready for the final touches. It can be dyed, cut, and sewn into clothes, blankets, and other woolen goods. Before wool is ready for sale, it often goes through a few more steps. Some wool is felted, which means it is pressed and heated to make a thick, soft cloth. Other fabric is dyed bright colors using safe, modern dyes. Dyeing can be done before or after weaving, depending on the product. Next, the wool fabric is cut and sewn into clothing, blankets, scarves, or hats. Skilled workers make sure every piece is neatly stitched and well made. Labels are added to show what kind of wool was used and where it comes from. Quality checks happen at every step. Workers look for any mistakes or rough spots. Only the best pieces are packed and sent to stores. This careful attention means wool products will be soft, warm, and long-lasting. Now, the wool is ready to be worn or used, bringing comfort and style to people everywhere. Wool's journey from sheep to clothing is long and careful. Every person, from the farmer to the spinner to the tailor, wants to make the best product. They use skill, patience, and care at every stage to make sure the wool stays soft and strong. Wool products are loved all over the world. A warm wool sweater or a soft blanket brings comfort on cold days. Wool clothes can be stylish and practical, perfect for many seasons and places. Wool is also good for the planet because it is natural and renewable. When you wear wool, you are part of a special story. You are connected to the sheep, the land, and the people who worked hard to make something useful and beautiful. Wool products remind us of nature's gifts and the value of careful work. So next time you wrap up in a wool scarf or wear a wool hat, remember the amazing journey of wool, from happy sheep in green fields to the soft, warm clothing that keeps you comfortable every day.